Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome, my name is Emma. Today is a very exciting day. I have a little announcement to share with you. I am now on Patreon. I set the page live earlier, making today launch day. I'm so happy and I really wanted to share the news with you all. I know a lot of people tend to sit down and chat to you about their Patreon and their rewards, but that would make for a very awkward video, seeing as I've not put my face on camera before, and I didn't want to put you through that awkwardness. So today's video is a journal with me, but I thought that instead of talking you through my journaling process, I would talk to you about why I'm starting Patreon, what it is, and the type of rewards you can receive. If you do have any questions about Patreon or my journaling process, please leave me a comment below. I do want to start off with saying that YouTube videos are not going anywhere. I will still be uploading to YouTube. I really enjoy making videos for you and I value the community we have built here. Patreon is really just a way for you to get extra content from me if you love what I create and share here on YouTube, and it's a great way to support me financially too. So why Patreon? Since 2017, I've been supporting other creators on Patreon and I've loved being part of their community. I've wanted to start my own Patreon for such a long time, but I've been really scared to. Lavender on YouTube says something along the lines of this: if something feels really scary to you and you can't stop thinking about it, it must be important to you, or you would just forget about it. And therefore it's worth pursuing and seeing where it goes. So now I'm on Patreon. I'll be able to challenge myself, explore and grow my creativity, and build a deeper connection with you. It will also help support my dream of becoming a full-time artist. In exchange, I hope to create a cozy and welcoming space, a happy place for you to find support and inspiration, chat with like-minded creative people, and have a place that's full of joy and kindness in our close-knit community. And how does it work? If you haven't heard of Patreon, or maybe you've heard of it but you're not quite sure what it is, Patreon is a membership platform that allows artists and creators like myself to run a subscription service and share exclusive content to their patrons, also known as you, my followers. You choose the tier you would like based on the cost and the rewards offered. You do get charged on the day you sign up and on that same day every month going forward. You will get immediate access to all past content as well as future content on that tier. There is no minimum subscription period, meaning you can join, change your pledge by upgrading or downgrading, and you can cancel your subscription at any time. So what can you expect? I have 3 different reward tiers. The first tier is called Club Buddies, also known as the community tier. I will be posting sneak peeks, behind the scenes content and little life updates. There will be opportunities to vote in polls and get early access to YouTube videos. You will also have access to our community chats where you can share your journals and meet other like-minded and art-loving people. The second tier is called Studio Mates, also known as the Digital Goodies tier. There will be at least 1 monthly video, a printable, and a discount code you can use in my shop. You will also have access to the rewards on the previous tier, like early access to YouTube videos and behind the scenes content. The third and last tier is called Faraway Friends, also known as the Happy Mail tier. You will be sent a little happy mail each month that you are subscribed. There will only be 5 spaces available on this tier, so a very limited amount. You will also get access to everything else in the previous 2 tiers. This is the tier that I'm most excited about as I feel like I'm getting back to my roots of sending happy mail. My Instagram account started off with me sharing all the happy mail I sent out to friends and pen pals, so it feels really good to get back to doing a little bit of that. So that was a lot of information. I will link my Patreon page down in the description box for you. I would really love it if you would take a look at my page and let me know what you think. Whether you decide to join, even if it's for 1 month or not, just know that I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I know Patreon isn't for everyone. I understand that you may not want to or can't afford to support your favourite creators on Patreon. I totally understand. There are many ways you can support me for free. You can like this video and leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, you can follow me on Instagram, or you can sign up to my newsletter and receive free printables on sign up. All will be linked down below for you. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching and for always supporting me and being part of my community here on YouTube. I'll add some music to the last little bit of this video and let you watch the rest of the journaling process. Again, if you do have any questions, please leave them down below. I hope you're all doing really well. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.